What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How are you guys doing today? I gotta go take care of something. I gotta go take care of a fix-it ticket for a missing license plate on a brand new bike. First things first, we need gas. I got 17 miles on this thing. On the way home, I didn't stop for gas, so we got to do that. Thank you. Alright, so, what happened? Well, I pretty much got a bogus fix-it ticket. Here's what happened. So I'm cruising down the freeway and I'm lane splitting in moderate traffic. I mean, it's not too bad. It's, you know, but it's decent. And there's a few bikes behind me. There's probably good like 4 or 5 bikes behind me. And so I'm like thinking to myself, man, maybe I'm going too slow. Maybe I'm going really slow. And you know, I had just got that speeding ticket recently. And I was kind of like, I've been watching myself and making sure I don't do things that I shouldn't be doing and riding stupidly, right? So I was like, you know what? They can go around me. Sure enough, out of nowhere, I see, and we're in the fast lane, right? And sure enough, I see this bike pull out, go into the emergency lane on my left side, and I'm like, damn, what a dick! Like, I can't be going that slow. What an asshole! And turns out, it's a cop. So he rides up the emergency lane, passes all the bikes, and then gets in front of me and stops me and the bike behind me. And I'm just like, what the fuck? Like, I know I didn't do anything wrong. What is going on? So anyways, he pulls us over, and he says we were speeding. He says you were going 45 miles an hour, which is speeding. And I was like, okay. And then he walked away, talked to the other guy, and I'm sitting there thinking to myself, what the hell is going on? So he comes back, and I'm like, look, my understanding is the rules, which their rules, are that I can speed up to 45, I can lane split up to 45 miles an hour. And he says, oh, yeah, those are just guidelines, and per whatever section, it's up to the police officer's discretion. So he said I was going too fast for the conditions, which I sure as hell know I wasn't. But my camera wasn't recording, so of course, you know, nothing I can do there. And yeah, so he pulls us over, and he tells me I was speeding. So then he goes and writes this other dude a ticket. I don't know. He's talking to him, and he comes back, and he goes, I'm going to write you a ticket for your license. He's like, where's your license plate? And I was like, it's a brand new bike. I literally just bought it Friday. There's no tag. I don't even have the plates. And he goes, well, I'm going to write you a fix-it ticket for not having your license plate. And I was like, well, I have a couple questions about lane splitting. And he goes, do you want a speeding ticket or do you want a fix-it ticket? And I was like, I'll take the fix-it ticket, of course. And so he wrote me a fix-it ticket for not having license plates, which is where I'm headed now, is to the police station. Because I happen to get the license plates the next day. So that's where I'm headed right now, to get the fix-it ticket signed off, or however that works. But I feel kind of cheated, man. I was like, I feel like he wrote me the fix-it ticket because he knew that the other ticket wasn't going to hold up. And that's what I feel. And so after this, man, I've just felt pretty, I don't know, I've felt pretty irritated with police, man. That's pretty messed up. Like, I mean, I just don't get it. What are you doing? What the hell are you doing, lady? But, yeah, so that's what we're doing today. We're headed over there. I got a little Ninja Nate on the back. He didn't really want to be in the vlog, so I didn't even put his Sena on him. But I don't know where this police station is. I think it's up, well, I kind of know. I've never been there, obviously. So I put it up on the on the GPS and looked it up. But another thing I'm kind of worried about, and I just changed the exhaust, right? So I'm hoping that I can get in and get out without getting another fix-it ticket for the exhaust. So that's gonna be interesting. We're gonna see what happens with that. I'm gonna try to roll in a higher gear so that the bike is as quiet as possible. But we'll see what happens. We shall see. Alright, so I think it is just past this park that's coming up. I have to make a right. And the only reason I remember the street name is because it was my grandma's name, Juanita. So, let's see. I think it's right past this park. Maybe the stoplight after? I'm not sure. Or no, wait. Yeah, I think it was just past this park. So here's Thompson, Franklin, Buena Vista Street. Are we getting there? Are we getting there? Oh, that's Juanita. Alright. Okay, so we gotta make it right here. Go around. I wonder if I can go to the parking lot. I probably could. Oh, this might be it right here. Is this it? Hemet Police, it is. It is indeed. Sweet. Yeah, I think we gotta go in here. I was right there. Close enough. I got a Fix It ticket. Seeing if I can get someone to take a look at it.
In order for me to sign this off, they have to be on the bike.
They're on the bike. Yeah, they're on the bike. Yeah. No, I put them on as soon as I got them. Alright, so we got the ticket signed off. The lady was actually pretty nice. She said that she looked at where I gotta go. Go ahead and get on, buddy. And was like, I don't know why you have to go way out there. So she tried calling the courthouse here to see if I can just take it in and pay the fine there. Are you good? Alright. What was the thing? Yeah, she tried to take it, or tried to call to see if I can take it to the courthouse here instead of driving over to apparently Vista. And I got the ticket in Temecula, so I find it kind of odd that I have to go to Vista for this, but whatever. So she said it doesn't hurt. They don't close till 4. So I might go back and do that. We'll see. But I know my kid doesn't want to go. So I might have to go drop him off and then make the run down there. Which I'm probably going to do only because I want to get this taken care of. I don't need another thing sitting over my head, you know? You know what I just thought of? Screw that. I'm going to do it on Monday. That's the benefit of working from home. Anyways, well, that was it. That was the quick video. I just wanted to talk about the crappy ticket. Even the lady behind the counter was like, oh, well, that's shitty. Because the plates came the next day. And technically, you're supposed to have like a grace period or something like that before they can give you a ticket for no plates or whatever. So, whatever. I really think it was just a bullshit ticket in general. And it is what it is. My wife was like, why don't we fight it? And I'm just like, you know what? It's just not worth it. It's not worth a $20. Well, I had to pay $26 to have her sign it. But it's just not worth having it done, having to fight a ticket so cheap, you know? And that's where they get you, man. That's where they make some money, man, because they know certain things like this. And that's why I feel like this is a super bullshit ticket. He knew it wasn't worth me fighting, you know? And so they get their little 20, 26 bucks, whatever the fine is, they get it because they know you're not going to fight it. You're not going to hire a lawyer and pay $200 that you're going to lose out on. Especially for like a Fix It ticket that doesn't even, like, it doesn't affect anything. It doesn't affect your credit, or your driving record. So it is what it is. On a positive note, no one said anything about my exhaust, and I was at a police station. So that is a very good sign. Very, very good sign. On another subject, have you guys seen the new GoPro 7? Dude, that thing looks epic. I really, really want it. The fact that, I think they call it like super stabilization or super something, where you're not supposed to even need a gimbal anymore. That's the main selling point for me, man. That's I've gone through a few gimbals, and if I can have something like that where I don't have to deal with that, oh, that would be dope. Anyways, until next time, guys, I want you guys to have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic night or weekend or whatever time it is that you guys are watching this. Enjoy yourselves. Peace.